Imagine waking up to a home that feels calm, uncluttered, and full of things you truly love. No piles of stuff you don't use, no unnecessary waste, just a space that brings you peace. A life that's simple, sustainable, and intentional. Hey there! Welcome to Minimal Earth Life. My name is Luna, and I'm here to help you simplify your life while making choices that are better for the planet. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the stuff piling up around you? Like no matter how much you clean, there's always more. Or maybe you want to be more eco-friendly but don't know where to start. I've been there too. I used to feel stuck in a cycle of buying things I didn't need, throwing away more than I should, and feeling guilty about my impact on the planet. But then I discovered the power of sustainable minimalism, and it changed everything. Now I want to help you do the same. In this video, I'll share what this channel is all about, what you can expect, and how we can simplify and live more sustainably together. Let's dive in. Does your home feel cluttered no matter how much you clean? Do you ever buy things you don't really need, only to feel guilty later? Or maybe you want to live more sustainably, but it just feels overwhelming to figure out where to start? You're not alone. Most of us have been caught in the cycle of overconsumption, buying things to fill a void, chasing trends, and accumulating clutter. And before we know it, we're drowning in stuff. And let's talk about sustainability. We hear so much about climate change and waste, but where do we even begin? It's easy to feel like small actions don't matter or that sustainable living is expensive and complicated. I get it. I've been there too. That's why I started this journey, to make things simple. I'll show you how to declutter with intention, make mindful choices, and live a more eco-friendly lifestyle without stress or guilt. Minimalism isn't about owning nothing. It's about owning what truly matters. And sustainable living isn't about being perfect. It's about making better choices, one step at a time. So if you're ready to simplify your life, reduce waste, and make more intentional choices, you're in the right place. Let's do this together. A few years ago, my life looked very different. My home was packed with stuff, clothes I never wore, gadgets I barely used, and a never-ending cycle of buying things I thought would make me happy. But instead of feeling fulfilled, I felt drained. More stuff didn't mean more happiness. It just meant more stress, more cleaning, and more waste. And then one day, I had a realization. I wasn't just filling my space. I was filling my life with distractions. I was consuming more than I needed, while the planet was paying the price. That's when I decided to make a change. I started decluttering, simplifying, and focusing on what truly mattered. And let me tell you, it was life-changing. Now, my home feels lighter, my mind feels clearer, and I spend less time worrying about stuff and more time on experiences, relationships, and things that bring me joy. And the best part? It's not just about less. It's about better choices for myself, my wallet, and the planet. That's why I started this channel, to share what I've learned and help you on your journey. Because if you've been wanting to live with more intention, sustainability, and purpose, I'm here to guide you. You don't have to do it alone. Let's simplify, live better, and create a more sustainable future together. Now that you know why I started this channel, let's talk about what's coming next. If you're looking for simple ways to declutter, live more sustainably, and make mindful choices, you're in the right place. Here's what you can expect from this channel. We'll dive deep into minimalism, how to declutter without stress, practice mindful consumption, and even go digital with a clutter-free mindset. Small changes can have a big impact. I'll share eco-friendly product swaps, simple ways to reduce waste, and how to adopt slow living habits that actually stick. Want to create less waste? I'll walk you through composting for beginners, plastic-free alternatives, and how to grocery shop with zero waste in mind. Let's rethink how we shop. I'll show you how to buy less but better, support ethical brands, and make secondhand shopping your new superpower. And the best part? You don't have to do this alone. I'll be uploading new videos every week to help you simplify your life, reduce waste, and live more intentionally. So if that sounds like something you'd love, hit the subscribe button and let's start this journey together. With so many videos about minimalism and sustainability, you might be wondering, what makes this channel different? A lot of people think minimalism means living with nothing or fitting your entire life into a suitcase. But I believe in a balanced, real-life approach, one that fits your lifestyle, not the other way around. Minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about making space for what truly matters: your well-being, your values, and the planet. And when it comes to sustainability, I know it can feel overwhelming, but here we're keeping it simple and doable. No guilt, no perfectionism, just progress. My focus is on practical, beginner-friendly steps, things you can start today, no matter where you are in your journey. Whether you want to clear the clutter, live more sustainably, or simply be more intentional with your time and energy, this channel is here to help. Because sustainable minimalism isn't about doing everything. It's about doing what works for you, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So if you're ready to create a life with less stress and more purpose, stay with us and let's do this together. If you're ready to simplify your life, reduce waste, and live more intentionally, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to share more with you. In the next few videos, we'll talk about simple decluttering hacks, easy eco-friendly swaps, and how to break free from overconsumption. So stay tuned. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What's one area of your life you'd love to simplify? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of this journey. Let's create a life that's simpler, more sustainable, and truly intentional together. See you in the next